short life. That's all I got to say. Everything else speaks for itself. I'm gon' chase this fucking check until I max out. If they don't let me out the gates, then I'm gon' smash out. You said you tired of these niggas, I take the trash out. And I'm gon' borrow the beat from Gotti and spaz out. My nigga told me he broke, so he took his mask out. I told him chill, little buddy, we bout to cash out. It's loyal life and we winning, watch how they pass out. These niggas thought we were playing, watch how we laugh now. Cop a couple Bugattis, pop by the stash house. We don't smoke many blunts, probably the last pound. He think I play about my money, he get this last round. He think I play about my money, he get this last round. She said you king of your city, I said oh no, not like Diddy. I be speaking the truth, and these niggas just feel me. Loyal life on the scene, and I'm gon' ride for my team. Tell them haters get lost, bitch I make myself boss, and I pay what it costs. I've been grinding long time.